Hi guys! Welcome back to my Mommy Monday videos. Yes, I am back once again. Akala ko hindi na ulit na makapag-film. But actually, this was an unplanned video. Kasi recently, I have been not really, I don't know if obsessing is the term, pero yes, I have been in Pinterest, on Google, on YouTube, on toddler activities. I have been searching for toddler activities kasi minsan nauubusan na ako ng gagawin with Zeb. Ayoko naman ng puro toys, puro toys, puro toys. So, sabi ko, I want to be involved. And ayun, nag-start ako sa Pinterest, nag-search ako ng mga toddler activities, and I have been seeing those, yung mga sinasabi nilang sensory bins, yung mga sensory play, and then, what else, napadpad ako sa YouTube, and I saw a lot of videos din na mga suggestions on what to do with toddlers. And eto, share ko sa inyo yung mga nagawa ko with Zeb, and super na-enjoy niya talaga. If I am not mistaken, ito mga ginagawa namin is parang Montessori style of teaching. Kasi alam ko ang concept ng Montessori style is more on learning through play. So, yun ang ginagawa nila pag sa pagtuturo. So, that's what I'm doing also with Zeb. Mostly, it's geared towards mga fine motor skills, in development of fine motor skills. And yeah, so without further ado, I'll share to you the activities that we have been doing for the past few days. Okay, yung first activity is a transferring activity. You're just gonna need 2 containers, scoop, and then pwede kayong gumamit ng oatmeal, pwedeng rice, pwedeng sand. So, as you can see, yan, si Zeb, ini-scoop niya yung oatmeal, or actually, pwede rin ibuhos, whatever flows their boat. Ayan, so yung paghawak kasi ng scoop, yun yung napapractice yung pincer grasp within the thumb and the index finger. Kung gusto naman niyang isalin, pwede rin kasi that promotes hand-to-eye coordination. So, although sa ating adults, madaling gawin yan, sa mga kids or sa babies, medyo it's a challenge. So, yeah, that's the first activity. Sa next activity, you're just gonna need popsicle sticks, an empty potato chip canister, and lalagyan nyo lang ng slits yung takip sa itaas. So, the objective of this activity is para i-shoot yung mga popsicle sticks dun sa butas. At first, si Zeb hindi masaya dito sa activity nito kasi as you can see, nahirapan siya i-shoot kasi hindi stable yung canister since wala lang naman. So, I told him to hold the canister para mas stable. And after niyang hawakan, nakapag-shoot na siya. So, as you can see. So, masaya na siya at proud siya sa sarili niya. So, hindi lang hand-to-eye coordination na naituturo, hindi lang yung pincer grasp and yung strength ng kanyang mga fingers, but also patience. So, yeah. Sobrang na-enjoy niya to after this. Okay, next, you're just gonna need marbles and again, another empty canister. So, huwag kayo magtatapon ng ganyan. You can use that. Lagyan nyo lang ng butas and same objective as the popsicle sticks, isushoot lang sa loob. So, niliitan ko yung butas para ma-challenge yung finger ni Zeb na i-push talaga yung mga marbles sa loob. And as you can see, super proud siya sa sarili niya. Nag-i-smile siya every time nakaka-shoot siya. Sobrang favorite niya tong game na to. It also teaches them about object permanence, meaning hindi porket hindi na nakikita yung object is wala na dyan. So, pag na-shoot niya na yan sa lahat sa loob, isi-shake niya and then pabubukas niya, ibig sabihin alam niya na nandun sa loob yung marbles. Next activity is a water sensory play. So, you're just gonna need a bowl, a spoon, another container with water, and I'm using Easter egg. You can use anything that floats. So, the objective is to transfer the egg to another container. So, wag niyong gayahin yung pagkakamali ko. Ang ginamit kong containers, butas-butas. So, basang-basa all over the place. So, I changed it to a bowl after some time. And then, ayan. So, as you can see, medyo challenging sa kanila kasi lumulutang-lutang. And yung kamay ni Zeb, pinapractice na yung pincer grasp. yung paghawak dun sa spoon. And then, another challenge is actually pwede nyong liitan yung spoon. So, binigyan ko siya ng kutsara. And yung marbles, yun, medyo mahirap din siyang hulihin. So, nagulat ako. I thought, ililipat niya lang yung marbles using his hand. Pero, ginawa niya, nilagay niya pa rin sa kutsara. And then, tsaka niya tinransfer. So, yan. Okay, next activity is another water sensory play. You're just gonna need a sponge and two containers, one with water. So the objective is to transfer the water to another container using the sponge. And I just showed it to him one time, and then yun yung nakakatuwa. Ipapakita mo lang isang beses and then gets na nila. Alam na nila yung gagawin. So ayan, as you can see, kita nyo yung kamay ni Zeb. Talagang pinapractice yung strength ng fingers niya. This is really geared towards fine motor skills. Next one, you're just gonna need a colander, and this one I bought from National Bookstore para siyang wire. And the objective is just to shoot them inside the hose. Medyo hirap si Zeb kasi sobrang lambot ng wires. So, kung meron kayo ng mas malaking butas na colander, I suggest straw na lang yung gamitin nyo. So, hindi kami nagtagal dito sa game na to kasi hindi masyado type ni Zeb. So, since super na-enjoy ni Zeb yung marbles and yung popsicle sticks, mostly yung mga may sinushoot-shoot, na-enjoy niya yun. So, I thought, since we will be flying back to Singapore next month, sabi ko magandang baunin to sa aeroplano. So, this is a perfect idea for you kung meron mga magta-travel dyan sa inyo. Instead of giving gadgets, iPad, iPhone, parang feeling ko mas maganda magbigay ka ng mga ganitong toys or laruan na pwede na lang gawin through the flight. So, sabi ko masyadong malaki yung canister ko na yung with marbles. So, I opted to buy na lang kanina. Actually, kanina na to, fresh from National Bookstore. Ang naisip kong baunin sa aeroplano are etong poker chips. And, bumili na lang ako ng alkansya. As you can see. So, hindi masyadong malaki. Kasi, saka yung ano ko kasi, yung lata, yung canister, tsaka pag nahulog yung holin, yung marble, masyadong maingay. Baka mairita naman yung mga katabi namin sa aeroplano. So, why, sabi ko, naisip ko, ito na lang, poker chips, and ito plastic lang. I think naman hindi ganun kaingay yung bagsak niya. I haven't tried it since, obviously, kakabili ko lang kanina, hindi ko nabubuksan, but, yun. So, anyway, that's it, guys. I hope nabigyan ko kayo ng ideas on what to do or what to play with your toddlers, and search lang kayo, marami dito sa YouTube, marami sa Pinterest. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!